Hello, this is Jacob Gutierrez. This is my technical writing portfolio. Um, so first off, this is the home page. It's not really too much, but haven't just to start. Just have my name, the title. But in the first, move on to the next slide. We have project one, the instructional video, and for this project, I wanted to kind of just teach the proper. Obviously says right there probably throw a baseball. I just kind of want to make an instructional video on that. For the second one, we have the proposal, project two. I haven't really worked on it yet, but I think this is probably one of, in my eyes, the best setup using Google Sites. And in the third slide, we have the creative revision as well. And this slide is also, I just think that Google Sites is easier to prepare for a project than any other format or medium per se. Thank you.